Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I recorded this video and I did not realize that it was this low. I got a new mic, but apparently the mic is not working, or maybe it's not connected properly. I'm not sure what it is. So I'm just gonna be doing the voiceover on this video. So today I'm gonna be installing a flexi ponytail that I got from a seller on Amazon. Here it is right here as you're looking at it. A seller reached out to me and asked me to review this for them for the first time. I've never used it before, so we're gonna see how that works out today. So I'm gonna be putting my hair in one bun, one high bun, and then I'm gonna be installing this ponytail so you guys can see how it looks. So if you guys have not already subscribed to my YouTube channel, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button, turn on your post notification bell so you can be notified when I post my next video. So this is the hair wax that I'm gonna be using. This is almost done and I have a few backups here to use. So I was apparently just showing you guys my shine and jam that I'll be using just to advance the shine and the hold. I'm gonna be using the jam, extra hold if necessary, and some eco styling gel if needed. So I receive a few accessories with this hair. Yes, you know, these sellers, they always, you know, compliment what they give you, which is really nice. So they gave me 2 hair clips. I'm gonna be showing you in a bit. Here they are, 2 hair clips, and they're really cute. Yes. And they also gave me 2 scungy, yeah, 2 small scunchies, 2 little gifts. So I really appreciate them. And they gave me some hairpins also. So my website is up and running and active and live. You guys can check it out. It's thelustriousbeauty.com, where you'll find different styles, length, color, human hair, and I'm gonna be adding some new products over there soon. You guys can go ahead and check it out and show your support, and I thank you so much for your support in advance. So let's go ahead and get right into the video. I'm gonna be putting my hair in a bun, and then you can just stay on and watch for the finished look.